TGIF, everybody. Okay, so I got the old power supply out of it. And I had another one that had it goes 16.3 volts, already done. But I had to take it out of this cabinet because of this. I couldn't get all that off, so I'm not even going to deal with it. I just went on ahead and put it in the cabinet that this one was in. Got all the tape off. Okay. So this is a better quality power supply right here anyway. Dual ferrites, and it got bigger caps in it, period, which, you know, I guess size don't really matter. It's already got 25 volt caps in it. Yeah, so this is the better power supply from long ago, and yeah, so that's what I've done. Off with this, and on with this. Yeah, we're gonna shove this thing into in here, and the problem gonna be solved. And I got to put a SSB delay in here for them. While I got this supply out, I'm gonna go ahead and drill a hole for a switch. I can do it here. I have enough room there, but I think I'm going to put it right here in the center, right about there. I think that's where I'm going to put it. And yeah, so now I just got to swap all the wires from there to here, and we shall be good to go. Oh yeah. And I can't use this top. I have to use the top off of that other one. Go see, this has 4 screws in it on the side, 2 in the back, and this one, oh, that's the old place. Hell, I don't even know where the old fan is now. Darn. What happened to it? How the hell I lose the damn fan already? Well, now, Houston, we have a situation, and I just don't see it. Oh my God. But I shall find it, because it was just here somewhere. Oh my God. All right, well, that's where we're at. I gotta find the fan top for this. That's crazy. I just had it. All right, I'm losing my mind. Oh, there it is. It's up under here. Oh my God, there it is. So it'll fit there. Plug and everything looks the same. God, I hope it is. Oh shit. This one's smaller, so I'm gonna have to, oh, all of it came out of that one. So see, the whole thing came out. The other one, so the plug is the same size. So anyway, that's where we're at. Put this top back on it, because it's got the slides. And it's got the good supply in it now. Alright, catch y'all later. Y'all have a great weekend. Make that in. So I'll get down Alabama, and I'm gone.